Whether you're going to be working in a French-speaking country, or you're going to spend some time with your French-speaking friends, you'll want to be able to chat with people and get to know them better. The phrases in this unit will help you talk naturally to friends, family, and colleagues in a number of everyday situations. Just as in English, there are several ways of greeting people in French, depending on who you are addressing, and whether you want to be formal or not. Say,
Bonjour, madame, mademoiselle, monsieur.
if you want to sound polite and just.
Bonjour,
To someone you know a little. If you're on friendly terms with someone, you can say,
salut.
hello,
Bonjour,
hello,
bonjour, madame.
good morning,
Bonjour Pierre.
good afternoon Pierre,
Salut, Olivier.
hi Olivier.
In French, there is no equivalent for good morning and good afternoon. People just say
Bonjour,
during the day or
bonsoir.
in the evening. Use
Au revoir, madame, mademoiselle, monsieur.
to say goodbye to people you don't know well. You can just say
Au revoir.
to people you know, or use
Salut.
bye if you are on friendly terms with them. Say goodbye.
Au revoir, monsieur.
It means goodbye, mister.
Au revoir, mademoiselle.
It means goodbye, miss.
Salut.
It means bye.
Bonsoir.
It means good night. Now, I am going to describe how to say see you in French. Let's start.
À plus tard.
It means see you later.
À demain.
It means see you tomorrow.
À lundi.
It means see you on Monday.
À bientôt.
It means see you soon.